What the heck?
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Greene and Washington, and the following counties in West Virginia.
Morning.
And Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia.
Good morning, PBC.
At 7:09 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Valley Grove, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Wheeling, Bethlehem, Philadelphia, Valley Grove, West Findlay, Claysville, West Alexander, Taylorstown, Amity, Nineveh, Green Hills, and Elm Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.